Good morning guys! So, ito yung pool. Wala, punong-puno ng water. So, ayan. That's rainwater guys. Let's check the okra here. Oh. Yes! May okra na siya guys! Ayan na ang okra natin! Yes na yes. Oops. Hold on. Bawal yung weeds. Oops. Careful guys. Delete. I'm gonna take these weeds off the plants. So, finally, there's a lot of, there's a few okra. And then, I still see flowers here. Baby okra right there. And let's move on to this other plant here. Yes, some more flower and some baby okra. I don't even have the chance to see the whole flower guys, kasi it's just been raining, which actually I'm so happy about it kasi I don't have to water them. I've been so busy. Kaya ayan, and you know, pag rain yung nag-ano sa plants is ang bilis silang lumaki. So ayan, tanggalin ko yung mga damo kasi makakapag slow pa to sa growth nila. Ay, kakakain ako ng okra guys from this little garden. It's not even a garden. It's just a few plants here. So, ayan na siya. Oh, diba? Grabe yung rain last night. Yesterday, nagka-brown out. So, I don't think I'm gonna get anything from the ampalaya here. They're just dying. I don't really care much, you know, kasi I think I planted them too late, kaya nothing really happened. So what will end up happening is I'm gonna have to pull them out dito. So ipupo ko na lang to, pero may mga ano naman of flowers na lumalabas, pero I'm not really sure kung magde-develop sila into a vegetables. Kasi nga, tingnan nyo guys yung ano, naging resulta nito. Napabayaan ko kasi guys, kasi medyo busy tayo sa work. Hindi na makapag-visit dito sa aking little raised garden bed. Kaya ayan siya guys, namatay yung ibang vine. Ang bango talaga ng ampalaya na. So, there. My little okra. Ayan. Okra na talaga siya. I know a lot of you guys, some people, not all, na don't like okra guys kasi yung slime niya. Which is, that's how am I before guys. Hindi ako masyadong kumakain ito kasi nga nakaka-thirst, diba? Pero, ngayong matanda na tayo, ayan, kumakain na tayo ng mga gulay-gulay kasi para stay healthy. Healthy living naman. Why? Healthy living. Okay, so ayun. Mapapaulala na lang ako dito pag nag-harvest na talaga ako. Which is, hindi naman kadamihan. Just a few of them. Okay lang. So, I think that's all for now, guys. Kasi I'm getting ready for work na. I just have to take a quick video. Kasi nga, I'm so happy na nakita ko ilang days hindi ako nagpunta dito. Nandito lang naman sa likod. Kasi nga guys, pagdating ko is very tired na talaga after work. Para na kaming mga pinag. Wala. No. Pero yun talaga guys, pagod na. Kaya ito, minsan na lang makabisit kahit nasa likod lang ng bahay. So, ayan. Ayan yung stem niya. Diba? Very small. Napaka-small lang talaga niya, guys. Small and thin. Especially here. Pero wala naman tong bunga. So, mostly, yung may mga bunga is yung thicker vine. I mean, thicker stem. Ayan. So, I have like four. So, 12. So, bali 15 yung tumubo. So, ayan, 15 yung tumubo. Pero, kunti lang yung may bunga. So, from this point here, ganyan yung makikita nyo. O, diba? Ayan. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.